Installing a switch under the cabinet. To pull electric from the existing outlet, put the red or hot wire on the gold screw of the outlet with the curl to the right. Install the white neutral wire on the silver screw in the same manner. Then place the green ground wire on the green screw. On the switch will have 2 gold screws and 1 green screw for the ground. Install hot in from the outlet to the bottom gold screw or off position. Then, install the hot line that will go to the disposal to the top gold screw or on position. For the ground, you'll have to make a pigtail. Attach it to the green ground screw. The 2 white or neutral wires will be wire nutted together. Connect the wires to the disposal, white to white, red to black, and green to green screw. Remove all the old pipes and clean the sink top to bottom. Install new flange from the disposal. Use plumber's putty for top and install the friction ring and lower flange, then screw clamp with spring ring. Hang the disposal and lock it in with the manufacturer-provided key. It will snap in. Install new pipes with a female P-trap and 2-inch extension. The P-trap must be installed in this direction to have proper flow and no leaks. Then, tighten all the connections by hand. Fill the sink halfway and drain it to make sure there are no leaks. Finally, put a zip tie on the flange to bolt for extra security from disposal vibrating off.